Write an explicit formula and a recursive formula for finding the nth term in the sequence -1 to -4. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. The a sub 1 is -1, and the r is 2 divided by -1, which is -2. So we have -2 to the n minus 1. That's the explicit formula. The recursive formula is a sub 1 is equal to -1, and then a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 times -2. Write a sequence that has 3 geometric means between 264 and 1.03125. We multiply r once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times. R to the 4th is equal to 1.03125 divided by 264. 1.03125 divided by 264 is equal to about 0.004. R is equal to the 4th root of that 0.004, which is equal to plus or minus 4th root of the answer, and that is equal to about it is equal to 0.25. Now we're going to take 264, multiply by 0.25, multiply by 0.25, and then multiply by 0.25. So the answer is plus or minus 66, 16.5, and then plus or minus 4.125. Find the sum of the first 11 terms of the geometric series. 4, -6, 9, keep on going. The sum of the first 11 terms is 4 times 1 minus r. R is equal to -6 over 4, which is -3 halves. We have -3 halves to the 11th power, and divide that by 1 minus -3 halves. 4 times 1 minus -3 halves raised to the 11th. And I missed the minus. Let's put that in. Insert minus. And we will divide that by 1 minus -3 halves. 139.996. Find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric series with a sub 1 equal -4, a sub n is -65,000, and r equals 2. So s sub n is equal to -4 minus -65,536 times 2 all over 1 minus 2. We have -4 minus -65,536 times, not -2, but times 2, and then divide that by -1. We have -131,068. Example 9, find the sum of this. We have sigma n equals 3 to 8, so the number of terms is equal to 8 minus 3, which is 5, but then plus 1 is 6. So the sum of the first 6 terms is equal to the first term, -2 times -2 raised to the 3 minus 1, that's -2 times 4, that's -8. So the first term is -8 times 1 minus -2 to the 6th power divided by 1 minus -2. We have -8 times 1 minus -2 raised to the 6th power, and then we will divide that by 3, which is 168. If possible, find the sum. If possible, find the sum of the infinite geometric series. R is equal to 18 over 24, which is equal to 3/4, which is less than 1, so we have a sum. The sum is equal to 24 over 1 minus 3/4. which is 24 over 1/4, which is 96. If possible, find the sum of the infinite geometric series. R is equal to 0.66 divided by 0.33, which is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. So no sum. Find this infinite sum. R is equal to 0.65, which is less than 1, so we have a sum. The sum is equal to the first term, which is 3 times 0.65 raised to the 2 minus 1, which is 3 times 0.65. 1.95. So 1.95 divided by 1 minus 0.65. So 1.95 divided by 1 minus 0.65. We have 5.571.